Okay, welcome to Module 11 and the start of a new year. I hope that you all had a wonderful break. I'm posting this right before New Year's, but most of you are caught up, and you don't even have to look at this until we go back to school. So I hope that you had a good time with your websites. The ones that I saw are wonderful, and you can all take a look at those that are finished in the collaboration section. Take a look at each other's websites, and you will enjoy. I read in some of your reflections about how powerful you felt building your website and laying it all out, and that's what programming is all about. So I was thrilled to see that. Everybody did a really wonderful job, the ones that I saw. A couple of you, I gave you extensions, and that's totally fine. I look forward to seeing them when they are finished as well. Also in that last module, in Module 10, we did a section on Excel. Most of you have probably used Excel before, like in science class, to do charts and things. At this point, really, Google Sheets pretty much will do everything Excel does. I learned on Excel. I wanted you to learn the basics because I knew Excel better. You probably can transfer most things, but Excel is so powerful, and I hope that you learned some things that you didn't know were possible in it. It's so easy to use it to organize pretty much anything, and you will think of a million different reasons to use it in the future, to be able to filter and sort and just to be able to handle data. And once again, the root of databases, which is really what everything runs on these days. So I hope that that was enjoyable for you too. In Module 11, we are going to go back. We're going to take a look again, a little bit of a history background of the development of computer languages. There are so many of them out there, and new ones all the time for all kinds of different things, all with the same kind of basis, but all different for different purposes. And hopefully you will, it'll give you kind of a solid background about that, which is important. The other thing we're going to get into in Module 11 is JavaScript. We're going to go back to Grok. You guys are all used to working in Grok now, so you understand how it all goes. And when you log back in, you'll see that you're assigned a new module, a new module, a new thing, a new lesson, whatever. Gosh, it's been a long break. Anyway, a couple of things to note in it is that there are several things in Grok in this JavaScript session that we are not required to, that you guys are not required to do. So just keep an eye on the pages in OneNote and notice when things are not required. So some of the little projects, and the reason is because what I'm going to do at the end of your JavaScript, kind of, I don't know, a module or two down the road, I'm going to ask you to take what you learned from JavaScript and go back to your website, the one that you just finished, and add JavaScript to it. So consequently, there are some of the projects that we're not going to do in the Grok lessons. So just pay attention in OneNote and you'll be totally fine. JavaScript is the beginning, once again, of like real programming languages. So I hope that you will enjoy that. And once again, if you have any questions about that, let me know. I hope you all had a great break. I hope you're ready to get started. I know you guys worked really hard. I know that the website thing was really, really hard, and I appreciate it all and all your hard work. From now till the end of the year, I can't say it's going to get much easier. We are going to do some other kind of fun things too. And I mean, I hope that you're liking all of this. And let me know anytime you have any questions. And come see me in the new year. And great. Have fun. Let me know if you have any questions.